Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a girl Easter bunny for Easter. And we're going to start somewhere around the middle of the page, maybe around, let's say like right around here, and leaving a good amount of space at the top for your big Easter bunny ears. So you'll draw a circular shape here. It does not have to be a perfect circle. We don't want it perfect actually. And then for the ears, we're gonna put them a little off from the middle of the head. So find the center and then just go over a little bit. And we'll start right about there. And we're gonna bring it all the way up because she's gonna have big ears. And you'll just curve that line all the way to the top, however big and small that you'd like them. But I'm gonna make this ear a little floppy, so the end is going to flop down some just to give her some personality, some character. And how to do that, you'll draw the line here. We're going to curve the end of the ear like so, like that. And then to bring it into the other part of the ear, we're going to go right about there. So I made a line, and then we're going to connect it to the end of the ear. See, look at that, like we made the end of that ear flop over. So that's how you do that. You bring it down and then back up. And to make the other side of the ear, we're going to start, it's going to connect to the head right about there. So we'll just bring a line right there to connect the two. And then so that's how you'll do that. You'll connect that part, and then we're going to go over to the other side, and you will bring it right about there, around the same area on the other side. And so we'll bring a line right about to there. So we will start here and bring it all the way down like so. And then you can make it a little longer there and curve that end of the ear. We're going to bring it back to the top of the head. Look at there. That's how you do it. It's a long curved line. You bring it all the way around and you curve the end of the ear and you bring it back down to the head. So ears have the bunny's ears have the inside. So what we're going to do to create the inside of the ear, we're going to draw a line that matches the lines we just drew. So they're like your guide. So we'll start right about here, and you'll just make it that thin outer part, but we're going to keep the inside of the ear a little larger. So you just take that line, you follow that along, and for this ear, because it's flopped over, you'll stop at that corner right there and then bring the other line inside. And there are your ears. And we're going to give her a bow. So we're going to erase this line right there at the top of the head just so we can put a bow there. And if you're familiar with the other bows I've drawn, you'll start with that circle for the middle of the bow, like so. And at any time you need to pause or to catch up, please do so. And you'll bring a line from the top of the bow, curve it like so, and then curve it at the bottom to bring it into the middle of the bow. And there's a little bow there for you. And let's see, the next part we'll do, and we'll put the little middle parts there just to give the bow some definition. And we're going to go ahead and start on her eyes, just little circles like right there and right there. There, she's coming to life. Let's give her some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's her eyelashes on the side, and let's give her little eyebrows. There we go. Just 2 curved lines over the eye. For the nose, we're going to make an upside down triangle. So you start with the line there, curve it around. On each side, curve it around, and then you curve that bottom like that. And then for her smile, just a smile, a curve, like a C. Just draw a C right there and then cap off that C like so. Look at that. And give her a little chin for some character, a little personality. There we go. And we're going to add her whiskers. So you'll add 3 little dots on each side of her nose. And then you just take lines and just take them out, straight out, like whiskers. Oh, that one didn't go so well. Just gonna erase that one. I couldn't get to the point that I needed to get to, so we're just gonna erase that and draw the other 3 whiskers going out. Whisker. Whiskers, whiskers. Look at there. She's coming right along. So we're going to start our body, and we'll start right about, you can center it, but we're going to put 2 lines just so we'll know where to start both ends of her body. So right about there, off of the center. And we're going to angle it with the line. So you'll bring that line, a straight line, but angle it. And those are for her arms. And then we'll bring those there. I'll just bring that down. And for the inside of her arm, I'm going like where her dress would start and her arm would meet. We'll start with those 2 lines. I'm just going to bring a line out because she's going to have a full dress. So just bring that line on out like so. And then we're going to curve the ends just like that, because that's where our dress, our decoration, or our design of our dress will end. And we'll just go ahead and wave that line like so. They're like waves. It makes it look like a tulle, or her dress has some lace that's moving. Look at there. We'll just add another line on top of that. And then let's go ahead and finish her. Oh, actually, we're going to give her some designs at the top to match the bottom. A little lace at the top of her dress. Isn't that adorable? And we'll do that. And let's see here. We'll go ahead and finish her arms. So we're going to just put a line at the bottom of the arm so that's her sleeve. And so for the bottom of the sleeve, we're going to draw a straight line, a short straight line like so on each side. And then we're going to connect it to the dress up here where the dress and the sleeve would meet, or the arm. And so you just draw a line there to connect them like so. And we're going to put a detail at the bottom of each sleeve, just like how we have at the bottom of the dress. So put 2 little lines on each side like so. And then draw a wavy line to the other side. Wavy line right there. Just gonna darken that just a little bit. And we'll draw her paw. And her paw will be just a curved line from one side of her arm to the next. Curve, like a U at the end of her arm. And here we'll draw the detail of her paw, just 2 lines like so. Because her arm's on that side, we're going to curve that line going that way. Same here. It's her arm's on this side. We're going to curve these 2 little lines going that direction, like so. And there we have her paws. And now we'll work on her legs. So let's see, where do we want to put them? Maybe here? No, not there. Let's move it a little closer. Let's move her legs a little closer to the middle. I'd say right about here. I'm going to draw the inside of both of her legs. So we'll put 2 lines right there, another line on the outside, and her other leg line there. And we'll just draw that coming down. Let's curve right there where her paw would be. Curve it. You'll bring that on around at the bottom, kind of flat or straight, and then just connect it with a curved line right there to connect to the back of her leg. And then we will draw the same 2 lines like we did on her paw at the top. We're going to draw those lines here on this side and then on this side. And there she is, our little girl bunny rabbit, Easter bunny. As I always say, there are no mistakes in art, so have fun, be creative, add colors, designs, anything you want. It's Easter time, have fun with her dress, decorate it, get creative. And remember, art is not perfect. It's what you make of it and what you want it to be. I'm just gonna add a little decoration here in the middle and on her bow. But right here, I'm going to put a little daisy. Like in one of my other videos, I showed you all how to draw a daisy. So I'm just going to put that there. I look forward to hearing how you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear how you enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe. And I appreciate you tuning in. And until next time, friends, happy Easter!